Friends, again I be back to the video after 2-3 days. My topic will be today again the vectors and possibly my last video on the vectors. The question I taken from IIT Main or 2022, and this question I am carrying on. Let me do the 2, 3, 4, 5 question, whatever I can go with it. I will do. I got a good number of questions with me in my page. Let me do. But I got request before I am doing the question to kindly go through these questions thoroughly. Read your 12th class vectors. Go through that. Read vector triple product, because many of the questions asked on scalar triple product and vector triple product, which is not in your 12th class. Therefore, be careful about these questions. So here I go. Here I go. The first question. Let A is equal to I minus j, B is equal to j minus k, and C is equal to k minus I. So symmetrical. And if D is a vector, D be a unit vector is a unit vector such that A dot D is equal to 0 is equal to BCD. Okay. Then find D. You have to find D. Options are given I plus j minus 2k, and these are option given. I am not taking the option because I am not taking the help of the option. I am doing this question. I am doing the question. I will say that there are options. I don't want to write. Well, D is a unit vector. D is such that A dot D is equal to what? A dot D is equal to 0 and BCD is also equal to 0. Let me check out, let D is equal to anything like x into I plus y into j plus z into k. My friend, it's a unit vector, therefore x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. A dot D means x minus y is equal to 0. Means x is equal to y. Then BCD 0, 1, minus 1, and C is minus 1, 0, 1, x, y, z is equal to 0. Let me expand it. 0, 0, okay, 1 into x plus z, minus 1, minus y, so plus y is equal to 0, z is equal to x, so x plus z is equal to 0, and z is equal to minus 2x. Okay, here I get x is equal to y and x is equal to what? Oh, put it here. X square plus y square plus 4x plus x square plus 4, x square is equal to 1, 6x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 1 over 6, and x is equal to 1 over under root 6. So my friend, x is equal to, therefore D vector is equal to, x is equal to under root 6y, or y is the same, 1 over under root 6 into j, and minus z is equal to what? Minus 2x. So here I go, and this is my answer. 6 can be taken common here. Two conditions given, we took x, y, z, d, and we have the question. Well, this was the first question of the day. I hope you can understand. This is the question that was, this is the gone. This is the first question. Second question I got is, if ABC are non-coplanar vectors, coplanar vectors are those who lie the same and they are unit vectors, that means their magnitudes are 1. They are such that A cross B cross C. Here we got vector triple product. The concept of this will be here. Then find the angle between them. Then find the angle between A and B. Find the angle between A and B. He said, I know the answer going to be 3 pi by 4. This is whatever that angle I know. Here I go. First of all, they are unit vectors. Okay. Here I go. This is equal to what? This is equal to, I set it to the plane of B and plane of C. Remember this. And is equal to B plus में C divided by under root 2 divided by under root 2. This B is equal to A dot C and C के साथ है तो A dot B. And they are equal. I have to find the angle between A and B. Let me compare with the C. Minus A dot B is equal to 1 over under root 2. A magnitude of B and cos theta is equal to minus 1 over under root 2. So this is 1, the cos theta is equal to, it is obtuse angle and is a minus cos 45. That means therefore theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. My answer of this angle is 3 by 5. I hope the simple question of this. This has been asked in IIT Main. So here I go. This was the another question. My next question follows. My next question is, here I go one question. Let A is equal to 2i plus में j or minus 2k and B is a 1i plus में j. Okay, if C is a vector, okay, such that A dot C is equal to magnitude of C, number 1. Number 2, modulus of C minus में A is equal to 2 into under root 2. Angle between, and it is given angle between what? A cross B and C is 30 degrees. It says find the value of A cross B, okay, and cross C का magnitude. Here I go. Its answer is 3 by 2. I will be finding this. This is it. Condition given A cross B, that A cross B cross C का हमने magnitude निकालना है. What is magnitude of A cross B? Is magnitude of A cross B into magnitude of C into sine angle between them. It has been given as 30 sine 30. Okay, this is the magnitude we want to find. A cross B is the magnitude of this, magnitude of B, and sine theta is angle between A and B, and magnitude of C in sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2. This is the one. I need to find magnitude of A. What is magnitude of A is equal to? Magnitude of A is equal to 3, 4 plus 1. Magnitude of B is equal to under root 2. So I got here, this is equal to 3. This is equal to under root 2. Sine theta, I'll find out angle between them, and magnitude of C I'll find into 1 by 2. Here I go. A dot C is equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of C, the angle between A and C. Angle between A and C is, I don't know. I need to find angle between A and B. Angle between A and C I'll find out. I'll take that. Okay, I'll find out that this is equal to some angle A and C के बीच में यहाँ से निकालूँ. What is A dot C is equal to? Let me just count this. A dot C dot A magnitude square is equal to 8. C dot A because this is equal to 8. Okay, C square minus में A dot C और minus में A dot C. Magnitude of A square is equal to 8. Friend, magnitude of C square. This is equal to magnitude of twice of magnitude of C plus magnitude of this is equal to 9. So plus 1 is equal to 0. This means this I got magnitude of C 1 whole square, and therefore magnitude of C is equal to 1. I got magnitude of C is equal to 1 here. Magnitude of C is equal to 1. I find magnitude of C is equal to 1. And I now want to find the angle between the A and B. So friend, what is angle between A and B? A and B has been given to me. A and B has been given to me. So what cos theta is equal to? This is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to A dot. This is 2 plus 1 divided by 3 into under root 2. This is equal to 1 over under root 2. Therefore, theta is equal to 45. And therefore, I sin 45 is equal to all same. 3 into 2 into 1 over under root 2. Here this is. And this is sin theta. Into 1 is equal into 1 by 2. Value I am finding 2 से 2 cancel here. But I need to have here मेरा आंसर गलत है 3 upon under root 2. Here sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, right? This is equal to 1. This is equal to under root 2. My friend, is under root 2. Sorry. This was the under root 3 into under root 2. This cancel with this, and therefore मेरा आंसर 3 by 2 था. I was knowing the answer 3 by 2. I made a mistake. Magnitude of B is equal to under root 2. This is 3 under root 2 sin 1 over under root 2 sin, and this is 1 and 1 by 2, and we got the answer. Here the question was A given, B given, angle between them. You have to find out the, and the condition I used here I found from here squaring A dot C I found, and A dot C को use किया, find the value, and the question was asked in the examination of IIT Main in the June 2000. This, so here I go. This was the question number 3rd was there, and I go to next question of the vector, which I love to do. Finally, there are 2-3 questions they usually ask, and kindly see that you understand these questions. Well, here I clean it. Go to the next question. Question number is this is here. Let A, B, C be 3 vectors. Any 3 vectors, okay. Having magnitude 1, 1 and 2 respectively. Given here, if magnitude of A is equal to 1, magnitude of B is equal to 1, magnitude of C is equal to 2. If given here is A cross C is equal not equal to plus B is equal to 0, then what is the acute angle between, find acute angle between A and C. Why? This is my question, friends. A and C, angle between this. Okay, magnitude of A, magnitude of C, A dot C में कहीं करूँ तो एंगल बिटवीन करूँगा तो मुझे ये चाहिएगा और मुझे cos थीटा चाहिएगा और ये वाला A डॉट C चाहिए. मुझे A डॉट C, मुझे इनके बीच का एंगल चाहिए तो cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू मुझे cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू A डॉट C चाहिए और डिवाइड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A और मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ C. ये तो 1 है और ये 2 है तो A डॉट C डिवाइड बाय 2. तो मुझे A डॉट C निकालना यहाँ से. पहले मैं इसको ऐसे करता हूँ, लिखता हूँ इसको, ये इन द प्लेन ऑफ A एंड प्लेन ऑफ C. A लिखूँगा तो यहाँ A डॉट C और यहाँ लिखूँगा तो A डॉट A. A डॉट A मीन्स A डॉट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस B कर लूँ और मुझे A डॉट C निकालना है तो B को मुझे गायब करना है, B मुझे हटाना है, सिर्फ A और C की बात करनी है. तो मैं क्या करूं, इसको दोबारा कर लूँ, माइनस बी को दोबारा माइनस बी से डॉट करवा माइनस बी. दोस्तों इसको दोबारा कर, ये 1 आ गया क्योंकि A डॉट A मैग्नीट्यूड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. देयरफॉर A डॉट C इंटू A माइनस C डॉट ऑफ A डॉट C इंटू में A माइनस में C. दिस इज इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ B स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. I multiply this with this, this with this. A dot C, A dot A, this is square, A dot A is equal to 1. This is equal to A dot C का square. This with this with this, A dot C and A dot C minus A dot C square. And here also minus A dot C square. And minus minus plus, modulo A dot C, this is equal to square of this is equal to 4 is equal to 1. This cancel with this. Okay, minus A dot C square is equal to minus 3. Therefore, A dot C is equal to root of 3 square plus minus I got it, her answer is. So my answer here will be cos theta is equal to A dot C under root 3, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 2. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree, pi by 6 my answer. This is my answer. So I have done the 4 question on this page, on this episode, 4 question. I hope you will do it and revise, and hope you can bear with it. This is mathematics, not a any sort of poem or any sort of novel. Kindly go through this and understand that this is the topic. I'll have go to 3 more questions based on the vectors. I will do that another 4 questions afterwards. Hope you will join me again on the video. Kindly look into it. My next video will be again on the vectors. I left 2-3 questions. I will do. Thank you so much.